Teach Me TV, we are back again with another exciting video today. We hope all is well with you and yours. Today's video will discuss what things you should think about before you start your business. Furthermore, how it involves planning, making critical financial decisions, and completing a series of legal activities. We want to give you 7 tips on what you need to do at the beginning stages of growing your business. If you're ready, let's go. The very first thing you must do is identify a problem. After you've come up with your great idea like a restaurant concept, delivery service, coaching and consulting services, you can start creating the business plan. Here are some examples of what we mean. Purpose and goals, description of business, market and customers, legal structure. Once you got that down, the second thing you must do is expand education. You will want to learn business basics, build your vocabulary, and have solid business acumen. Here are some more examples of what we mean. College, trade school, online course, trial and error. If you are to become a professional in your field, you need to look the part and sound just like it as well. It is the only way people can tell if you are an advancing business person. It will only benefit you and your business in the long run. When you accomplish this, many different types of individuals in your field and others will begin to flock towards you. This is when the next step comes into play. Building your network. Those who take the time to network and make new connections can gain valuable benefits. Here are some more examples. Mentor. People you respect in your line of business. Other entrepreneurs just like you. Learning from others, we would say, is the best form of learning. You can watch what others do and learn from their mistakes and also their accomplishments. This is where the term iron sharpens iron comes from. You want to learn from people who have done what you are trying to do. The overall goal is to be financially independent. However, before you can get there, you need to obtain this next step. Financial stability. Many entrepreneurs find that they start to turn a profit in 3 to 4 years, and a lot can change in the market. Suppose you have a backup stream of income, or an additional pool of money. In that case, this can make the transition to a new business idea easier to manage and help educate your expectations. Profits, ROI, other businesses, side hustles, part-time job. The next tip is how to get experience in your field, since experience is crucial to your overall development. Solve the problem with your business. Testing your business idea. The idea is solid, but they need to test it. Again, local business owners are the best place to start. See if there is a need for your value. Volunteer your services. Showcase your skills on social media. Self-advertising strategies. This is how to keep the money flowing in. How you do this is what the next and final step will show you. That is raise money. It's good to have savings to fall back on, but the entrepreneur may need more to start the business. There are 3 primary ways to obtain capital. Liquidating your assets, selling the things you no longer use. Take on freelancing jobs. Bank loans. Overall, here are some other ideas that you should also think about as well. Market research, business plan, funding, location if applicable. You might be running a home-based business. If so, what part of the home is the best to do so? Business structure, business name, registering your business, permits and licensing. These are things you need to think about. So many people just like to jump head first into a new business, that is why many of them fail. Majority of people never put any real thought behind why they are starting a business. They feel as they have the resources and they throw money at anything and hope it sticks. Here at Teach Me TV, we don't want you to fall for this common mistake that the majority fall for. We want better for you and your business. We are coming from a place of experience. We hope you have walked away from this video with an idea of what it will take to get your new business rolling. Or even started if you still have no idea. We hope this video gave you a mental map of where you need to begin,
as well as what types of thought you need to put into your new business endeavors.
Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, also to hit the notification bell for all the updates of when we release a new video. Don't forget to sign up to the Build Cash newsletter. Thank you for watching. We will see you on the next one.